Meaning of gaga.
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 Gaga. Gaga is a colloquial term used to describe someone who is excessively infatuated or enthusiastic about something, often to the point of being irrational or absurd. The term gained popularity following Lady Gaga's rise to fame, with her fans being coined as little monsters. The word can also be used to describe something that is crazy or bizarre. It can be considered a synonym for crazy or obsessed. Overall, gaga is a word used to convey an intense emotion or reaction towards something or someone.